Definitely one of those mornings you wanted to have automatic start on your car. We had lows all the way down below zero all across central Illinois. Paris down to -11, 13 below in Robinson, 7 below in Charleston, 9 below in Decatur. These were pretty close to record lows. I don't think we set any in central Illinois. Most locations were just a couple degrees shy of that, so near record setting cold this morning, and that was thanks to the snowfall that was on the ground with that deep snowpack that allowed those temperatures to really cool off last night, especially with the clear skies. So very cold start to the morning. We have a couple more cold mornings, but I think this is going to be the coldest here for a while. We're finally going to see temperatures on the rebound as we get closer to the weekend. But in the meantime, we're still seeing those temperatures in the teens across the northern half of the area. 20 right now in Effingham, 22 in Robinson, 17 in Charleston, Champaign and Danville. But when you factor in the wind, it's not feeling that warm out there. Feeling like 4 degrees right now in Charleston, 8 in Paris and in Danville, feeling like 10 in Terre Haute, and the wind chill is currently 3 degrees over in Macon County. Now looking at satellite and radar, we've had some light snow showers and some flurries, especially across northern portions of the area this morning. You can see that activity up there around Hoopeston and up towards Rantoul and Ludlow, but most of the activity is now off to the west, and we're going to see this activity increase as we go through the evening hours. So we'll zoom out and you can see this one area. This will clip parts of Christian and Macon counties, but then down here to the south, this is the main batch of the activity that we're watching as we go into the evening hours. Winter storm warnings are in place again across Arkansas, Tennessee, and Kentucky this evening. That's where the bulk of the snow is going to stay. However, as it starts to make its way up to the northeast, it may clip a few of our southeastern counties, especially along south of the Interstate 70 corridor, producing some light amounts of snow. As we look at the winter impacts over the next 3 days, you can see that most of that activity is going to be staying down to our southeast. The yellow indicates minor impacts, and this bluish gray color is limited impacts from winter weather. So again, we are going to see some snow potentially as we go into the overnights, especially the further southeast you are, but it's not looking like a major system, nothing like it was over the earlier part of this week. So as we get into midnight, that's when that snow starts to lift its way into our southeastern counties. Again, if you live along the south of Interstate 70, that's the best chance to see that, and also along and east of Interstate 57. So Charleston to Paris, down through Casey, and especially down into the Newton and Robinson areas. That's where we'll see that snow focused this evening. It makes its way pretty much out of here, and so by tomorrow morning, it's really only confined to our southeastern areas. So Vigo County into Crawford and Clark County. Again, the best chances to see that snow as we get into the morning on Thursday. The further west you are, you may not see anything out of this system as it comes through into tomorrow morning. Hold on to mostly cloudy skies, except if you're in the Monticello to Decatur area, where you may get some sunshine as we get into our Thursday afternoon, but it will remain another cold day with those temperatures only making it into the 20s. Then a cold front's going to come through. That's going to drop us back down into the teens as we get to Friday, so we're not going to start our warming trend until we get to Saturday. So mostly sunny, but cold on Friday with a high of 17 degrees. Skip ahead into Saturday, we'll climb up 10 degrees, increasing clouds over the course of the day as our next system makes its way through. And then by the time we get to Sunday, that's when we finally make it above the freezing mark. But I mentioned it's going to come with a catch, and that's a winter mix. We're going to see a low pressure system come through central Illinois. That's going to bring the chance for rain and then changing over to snow as well. So we'll take a look at that with Futurecast. And here we are at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I think Sunday is going to start off dry. We'll have mostly cloudy skies across the area. But as we advance this, you'll see that the snow showers arrive, and we could see that change over to a wintry mix before it changes into all rain as some warmer air makes its way out of the south. So it's looking like a pretty sloppy Sunday with rain showers and then maybe some more snow on the backside of that system headed into Monday. But hey, temperatures will finally make it above freezing if there's a silver lining. For tonight, we're expecting an overnight low of 12 degrees with cloudy skies. Again, snow showers primarily along and southeast of Interstate 70. For tomorrow, expecting a high of 21 degrees. Morning snow giving way to cloudy skies in the afternoon. Temperatures in the teens most of the day. And with that wind gusting up 20 miles an hour, of course, going to be feeling even colder than that. As we look at the next 7 days, we'll just erase that wintry mix on Sunday, not think about that, because look as we get into the start of next week, temperatures making it back into the 40s. That's going to be feeling like a heat wave. And if you like the looks of that, you'll like the looks of the 8 to 14 day outlook, which is favoring above average temperatures as we finish out February and head into March. So that's a plus to the forecast that we can look forward to.